This might be the coolest subwoofer I've ever seen. This is the 10-inch 1200 watt Clownya under the seat subwoofer. Here is what the bottom looks like. Now this is going to be a real install. The instructions are a little lacking, but if you know what you're doing, you're not gonna have any problems. So the first thing you're gonna get, you are gonna get a long wire. You are gonna have to take this from the subwoofer and run it out to your battery. You also are gonna get the ground wire in there. So that's probably the hardest part. They've given you this speaker level converters, and you're gonna be able to hook up RCA cables right here, and these are going to go straight into the unit back here. So if you get to that part and you can do the power, you're good to go. If you don't want to use the RCA, you can splice into your wires. This right here is going to go in there to control your remote, so you can adjust the bass, and then for your power and a few other items that you're going to need to install the device. It does have the amplifier in this, but also it's got a good speaker with a good magnet. Check out the Clownya 10-inch 1200 watt slim under seat powered subwoofer.